How much should you really spend on a Shark vacuum? Because here's the thing, you can get one for under $140 or drop nearly $400 and both claim to be the best. But does price actually mean better cleaning? Or are you just paying for fancy features you don't need? Let's cut through the noise and find out which ones actually deliver. Product number 1, Shark Rocket HV301. First up, the Shark Rocket HV301. This is the budget-friendly workhorse at just $138. It's lightweight, under 9 pounds, and corded so you never run out of power mid-clean. What stood out immediately was how nimble it feels. The swivel steering lets you zip around furniture like it's not even there. And it converts to a handheld in seconds, which is perfect for quick couch or car cleanups. Here's why this matters for you. If you live in a smaller space or just need something simple that actually picks up dirt without breaking the bank, this does the job. It's got a HEPA filter, which means it traps allergens, great if you've got allergies. The fingertip controls let you switch from carpet to hard floor with one hand, and the dust cup empties in seconds. With over 9,000 sold last month, clearly a lot of people are trusting this no-frills model. Now, some people complain about the cord. Yeah, it's not cordless, so you'll need to plug and unplug as you move rooms. And the dust cup is on the smaller side, so if you've got pets or kids making constant messes, you'll be emptying it often. But honestly, for the price, that's a fair trade-off. This is perfect for you if you want reliable cleaning without overspending and don't mind being tied to an outlet. Skip this one if you need heavy-duty pet hair removal or hate dealing with cords. For under $140, it's a solid value. Product number 2, Shark Rocket Pet Plus HV322. Alright, that was a solid budget pick. But if you've got pets, the next one, the HV322 Rocket Pet Plus, might be worth the upgrade. At $253, it's still mid-range, but it's built specifically for pet owners. The LED headlights are a small touch, but they actually help. You'll see hair and dust hiding under beds and couches that you'd normally miss. Here's why this matters for you. The included pet tools aren't just gimmicks. The Pet Multi-Tool and Crevice Tool are designed to dig embedded fur out of carpets and upholstery. Plus, the XL Dust Cup holds 0.68 quarts, almost double the HV301, so you're not stopping every 5 minutes to empty it. It's still lightweight and converts to a handheld, so you can tackle stairs or car interiors easily. Over 3,000 sold last month shows it's a favorite among pet parents. Now the filter is foam-based, not HEPA, so it won't trap allergens as effectively. If you or someone in your house has bad allergies, that's a real downside. Also, while the suction is strong, it's not as powerful as some of the higher-end models on carpets. This is perfect for you if you've got pets and want better tools and capacity without going full upright. Skip this one if you need hospital-level filtration or mostly clean hard floors. For pet hair pickup at this price, it's a smart buy. Product number 3, Shark Stratos AZ3002. Now, if the corded stick models feel too limited, the Shark Stratos AZ3002 steps it up. This is a full upright at $380 and it's packed with tech. The DuoClean Power Fins and Hair Pro Brush Roll combo is seriously impressive. It switches between carpet and hard floors automatically, and the self-cleaning brush roll means no more pulling hair out with your fingers. Here's why this matters for you. If you've got a mix of flooring and pets, this thing handles both like a champ. The powered lift-away lets you detach the motorized pod to clean under low furniture, something most vacuums can't do. Plus, the odor neutralizer and HEPA filter with anti-allergen complete seal trap 99.9% of allergens. With 2,000 plus sold, it's clear this isn't just hype. Now it's heavy, over 15 pounds, so if you're carrying it upstairs or have mobility issues, that's a real concern. And at this price, you'd expect cordless, but it's still corded. This is perfect for you if you want deep cleaning power, hate hair wrap, and need strong allergen control. Skip this one if you want something lightweight or cordless. For serious cleaners with pets and carpets, it's worth the investment. Product number 4, Shark POWRDTCT HZ4002. Alright, that was a powerhouse upright. But what if you want similar tech in a lighter package? Enter the POWRDTCT HZ4002, $291, under 10 pounds and packed with smart sensors. The IntelliSense system actually detects floor type and adjusts brush roll speed automatically, no more guessing or manual switches. Here's why this matters for you. The floor detect and direction detect features mean it cleans more efficiently. It knows when you're going forward or backward and adjusts suction accordingly. Plus, the self-cleaning brush roll and HEPA filter with odor neutralizer make it great for pet owners and allergy sufferers. It stands on its own, so you can set it down mid-clean without it tipping over. Over 2,000 sold shows it's a hit. Now the dust cup is smaller than the Stratos, so you'll empty it more often. And while it's lightweight, it's still corded, so you're trading some convenience for smart features. This is perfect for you if you want intelligent cleaning in a compact, easy-to-carry design. Skip this one if you need maximum capacity or hate cords. For tech-savvy cleaners who want adaptability, this is a strong contender. Product number 5, Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Finally, if you're done pushing a vacuum altogether, the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum at $380 might be your answer. This isn't just another robot, it maps your home with LiDAR, empties itself for up to 60 days, and has a self-cleaning brush roll designed for pet hair. Here's why this matters for you. The Matrix Clean navigation means it doesn't just randomly bump around, it cleans in a grid pattern, making multiple passes over dirty areas. The bagless self-empty base is a huge win, no buying disposable bags. And with voice control via Alexa or Google, you can start a clean from the couch. Over 1,000 sold shows it's gaining traction. Now, it's not perfect on thick carpets, suction drops compared to uprights. And at this price, you'd hope for mopping, but it's vacuum only. This is perfect for you if you want hands-free cleaning and have pets. Skip this one if you've got mostly high-pile carpets or need mopping. For busy households, it's a game changer. So which Shark vacuum is actually the best? If you're on a budget, the HV301 gets the job done. Pet owners should look at the HV322 or Stratos for better tools and suction. The POWRDTCT adds smart features in a light frame, and if you want total freedom, the AI Ultra Robot handles daily messes on its own. Price doesn't always mean better. It's about matching the right vacuum to your home and lifestyle.